Okay, let's just do a little garden update here. I got these hydroponic eave troughs on the back deck that they're growing some plants. Those eave troughs are too small. They don't give enough water. Things don't grow nice. I got a big 8-inch pipe that I found. That seems to be working good. Back to the eave trough over there, and there we go. Down in the yard we got potatoes there that are growing like crazy. Where those yellow flags are, I got 4 elderberries. And then down there there's 6 Saskatoon berries. There's some herbs growing in those blue buckets. Across the back, those are the honey berries. Okay, so we got a trellis there with tomatoes on it. A couple strawberries. We got some broccoli and mustard cabbage. Mustard cabbage is bolting right now, so trying to harvest that as much as I can. Back in the center there's some cabbage, cauliflower, and mustard and broccoli. That trellis has got mostly cucumbers on it. We've had about half a dozen cucumbers so far. Those tall things back in the corner are just Jerusalem artichokes. They're over 6 feet tall now, almost 7 feet. Where the yellow flags are on the side, there's some more Saskatoon berries. So there's 6 Saskatoons there, and back on the other side there's 6 Saskatoons. In the back row there's some broad beans and peas and carrots and a whole bunch of onions. My tomatoes there are going good. They're almost 7 feet tall. My climbing beans there, 2 of the varieties of beans are growing real good. The one in the middle there didn't grow very well tall. So, and then back in the side of the house there's a whole bunch of squash, and back around the corner there's some transplanted carrots. When I thinned them out I put them back there, and a few more broad beans that they were too thick over here. I thinned them out and put them back there. So garden's coming pretty good. Got our first red tomato on the tomato plants, and onions are about an inch to 1.5 inches in diameter right now. Haven't seen any beans or peas on the bushes yet. Actually, there's a broad bean that's on the bush, but most of what I planted is growing.